your partner. Today, I would like to introduce our top quality drilling kits, aiming to help you solve the challenges in your project. Our drilling kits are made from high-strength alloy materials, providing you excellent wear resistance and impact resistance. No matter how complex the geological conditions are, it can perform the work steadily and efficiently. Our drilling kits can easily handle both rocks and concrete. The sharp cutting edge and strong griping force make your construction work smoother and more efficient. We emphasize quality control. Each of our drilling kits goes through strictly inspections and testing. Our goal is to provide you with a reliable and durable products, helping you to save time and cost in your project. Our drilling kits have received numerous praise from our extensive customers. Cooperating with us, you will have access to excellent products and attentive service, helping your project even more successful.